Well, that tastes like nothing I've ever had in my life. The best cure after eating something too spicy is not water but alcohol. Alright, so I'm in Tequila, and the most famous drink here naturally is tequila. Surprise. But there's another drink that you may not have heard of called Tejuino, which is distilled from fermented corn. It's supposed to be really good. I just found out about it. I'd like to go get it, along with a side dish of Tortas Ahogadas, which is a type of spicy sandwich that's famous in this region. So, I'm feeling super fresh in my knockoff Lacoste shirt that I got at the fig market, and I'm ready to go. Alright, the city actually does have a super touristy side where the prices are jacked up, so I'm going to try to look for like more of a hole-in-the-wall kind of place, which would probably be better, don't you think? That seems like a food market. Let's check this out. Hola, buenas tardes. ¿Tienen tejuino acá?
Tejuino no. Tejuino
No.
va a encontrar en la plaza.
¿En la plaza?
En la plaza. Y en el cuadro hay un señor que va en un carrito y
Okay.
ahí venden tejuino.
Ok, solo ese señor. Where the hell is the guy that makes the tejuino? Hola,
Que les vaya bien, Raúl.
quiero un tejuino, puede ser.
¿Qué tamaño? ¿Este o este?
Este. ¿Cómo se hace el tejuino?
Es una bebida de maíz.
De maíz.
Ahí va preparada con sal y limón.
Ah, ok. Gracias.
De nada, amigo.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
20 pesos.
Ahí está.
Dice, no lo he mirado. Gracias.
Cool. That tastes like nothing I've ever had in my life. A little bit like tomato juice. Otro. Now let's go find one of those sandwiches. Salud. Hola, ahora tengo el tejuino y quiero una torta ahogada, ¿puede
Una
ser?
torta ahogada, claro. Ahorita se lo regalamos.
Gracias. It's actually really sweet. Completely different taste from tequila. But I'm liking this. Gracias. Alright. So this is a torta ahogada. Effectively a sandwich that has been drowned, that's literally the word in Spanish, ahogada, in spicy sauce. And there's basically no way to eat this without making a giant mess. I mean, they gave me a fork and a spoon because maybe they know I'm a foreigner, but you just gotta eat it with your hands. Gracias. Yeah, so it's basically, I have no experience making food videos, by the way, so please forgive me for this, but it's like a brioche bread, and you got some beef inside. It's really good. Alright, so that wasn't really spicy at all, but they do have a super spicy sauce right here. I may completely regret this, pero vamos a ver. Oh fuck, that's a lot more spicy. The best cure after eating something too spicy is not water but alcohol. Got the most complicated game of hide and seek going on behind me. So yeah, definitely the biggest problem with this is you got to make like a total mess of your hands after eating it, which is a big problem if you're filming. Thankfully they give you lots of napkins. Sí, sí.
Sí, gracias a usted.
So a lot of the things that we think of as being super Mexican, such as tequila, mariachi bands, sombreros, all those things, they actually all come from the same region, which is Jalisco, which is where I am right now. So you could say that this is the most Mexican part of Mexico. You could make that argument, but I'm not going to. I'll leave that to somebody else. Whew. So yeah, that's about it for this video. A little bit shorter than my previous ones, I think. And yeah, if you're ever in Tequila or Jalisco, give it Tejuino a try. Pretty good, unless you really hate sweet drinks, because it is sweet. But, and yeah, cheers. See you in the next one.